Hello and welcome to Spareka. In this video, we will show you how to check the drain solenoid on your dishwasher. Safety first, disconnect your dishwasher from the mains before working on it. You will need a screwdriver, a pair of pliers, and an ohm meter type measuring device to check the solenoid valve. Step 1. Disassemble the device. Lay the dishwasher on its side. Remove the kick plate at the back of the dishwasher. Then disconnect the water hose on the solenoid valve and the kick plate and locate the solenoid valve to be tested. Unscrew the dishwasher base plate. Make sure to remove the dishwasher leveling legs. And disconnect the anti-flood switch connectors. Then remove the panels, disconnect the solenoid valve and take it out. Lift the solenoid valve off. Disconnect the solenoid valve from the hose. Place a towel underneath in case there is water remaining in the hose. If you notice that there's no water entering the dishwasher, clean the solenoid screen filter. You don't need to remove the solenoid to perform this operation. Simply remove the water inlet hose. Step 2. Test the spare part. Select the ohm setting on the measuring device. Measure the resistance. The value is greater than 3 kiloohms. The solenoid is in a good condition. A faulty dishwasher solenoid valve will cause the following problems. The dishwasher is not supplied and won't fill with water. The dishwasher is leaking plenty of water on the floor, even when stopped. And that's how you check the solenoid valve on your dishwasher. With Spareka, repairing is easy.